Welcome to the again polyatomic anion, monatomic anion, polyatomic cation. Question 5. What is the formula for an ionic compound that contains only potassium and bromine ions? KBr, K2Br2, K2Br2. Let me read those again. KBr, K2Br, K2Br2. Question 6. What is the formula for an ionic compound containing only barium and sulfates ions? Ba2SO4, BaSO4, BaSO4-2. Question 7. A salt forms in the reaction of aluminum with chlorine. What is the most likely formula unit of this salt? Al2Cl, AlCl2, AlCl3. Question 8. Which of the following pairs of elements would most likely combine to form a salt? Indium and iron, neon and fluorine, magnesium and chlorine. Question 9. Which of the following would have an electrostatic force of attraction between them? Na+1 and argon, that's a sodium ion and argon, chlorine ion and an oxygen ion, barium ion and a phosphorus ion. Question 10. Which of the following best describes an ionic bond? An ionic bond involves a metal that transfers one or more electrons to a nonmetal. An ionic bond involves two metals that exchange electrons. An ionic bond involves a metal that shares electrons with a nonmetal. Question 11. Electrostatic forces hold which of the following together? Silver atoms and localized electrons in silver, argon atoms in argon gas, cesium and chlorine ions in cesium chloride. Question 12. Which of the following properties describe all ionic compounds? Select all that apply. There is more than one answer. Let's see if I could scooch this down a little bit so you could see all the answer choices at once. Again, we're choosing the ones that are ionic properties. We have brittle, malleable, soft, hard, high melting and boiling point, low melting and boiling point, conducts electricity in water, does not conduct electricity in any way, does not dissolve in water, dissolves easily in water. Question 13. What is the correct name for CaF2? Calcium difluoride, calcium fluoride, 2, or calcium fluoride. Let me read those again. Calcium difluoride, calcium fluoride 2, or calcium fluoride. Question 14. What is the correct name for the compound NH4Cl? Ammonium chloride, nitrogen-hydrogen chloride, ammonium monochloride. Question 15. What is the correct name of the compound CuNO3? Copper nitrate, copper 1 nitrate, copper 2 nitrate. Question 16. Which of the following rules would apply to the naming of CuO? A metal cation plus Roman number valence plus nonmetal anion ending in IDE. A metal cation plus a nonmetal anion ending in IDE. A polyatomic cation and nonmetal anion ending in IDE. Question 17. The charge on magnesium when it ionizes will be +1, +2, -3. Question 18. When aluminum ionizes, it becomes an Al+3 ion. The +3 represents the number of valence electrons aluminum lost during ionization, the number of valence electrons aluminum gained during ionization, the number of protons that are lost during ionization. Question 19. Which of the following compounds will most easily conduct electricity when dissolved in water? MgF2 magnesium fluoride, CO2 carbon dioxide, or O2 oxygen gas? Question 20. Iron is a transition metal and, as such, can form two types of oxide compounds, FeO and Fe2O3. Part A. What's the difference between the iron cations in each compound, Fe+2 and Fe+3? Part B. How does that difference affect the final compound formulas? And Part C. Explain what happens to the electrons when iron and oxygen atoms combine to form either of these compounds. That's our open-ended question and also the last question on the quiz. If you have any questions about the quiz, please let me know, and good luck.